I want to give some quick tips about working with the Bezier tool in Maya to create curves. Traditionally, we created curves using the EP or the CV curve tool, but that was always a little bit difficult to manipulate, working with these points and these holes and all these. But now they have, in more recent versions, they have the Bezier tool in Maya, which is a lot easier to create and use. And the Bezier tool, when you first click and drag out, when you create a new curve, you can click and drag out handles. When you have those handles on a curve, it's a lot easier to work with. If you right click over the curve and go to control vertex, you can see those curves. If I right click and go to object mode, I'm back into the entire curve, and I can manipulate and move that curve around. So I can just move the whole curve or rotate or scale that entire curve. But I'm going to delete that because I've already got one created here. The Bezier tool also allows you to modify these curves. To create new points, you can click on the curve, but if it's not selected, you have to actually select a point. So with the Bezier tool selected, if you start trying to click, it's going to just make a new curve. So the best way to do that is to select the curve, go to the Bezier tool, select one of the points, and then you can click and add new points along the curve. You can also go through and, pardon me, I'm going to go back to the curve tool. You can actually select handles and manipulate them around. You can select a point, press W on the keyboard. Sorry, go back, control vertex, press W on the keyboard, and you're going to be in the move tool. So the move tool allows you to grab handles and manipulate those handles, as well as select the points along the curve and move those points along the curve to shape that. If you want to delete them, you just select the point and you press delete. So I can drag those handles out and manipulate the shape of that curve. The other cool thing about this tool is it gives you a couple little shortcuts. If you select the tool, this is the most recently used tool. You can also select it over here in the shelf, which is in the curved surfaces shelf. But here, double click it, you can actually choose a couple different options. It shows you the hotkeys you can use. So you can actually reset these tangent handles. So I can remove these tangent handles if I hold down control and left mouse button. So if I do that, it's going to get rid of those tangent handles. I can go ahead and drag out those tangent handles by holding down control. So pressing control, I can get rid of them, and if I still hold down control, I can drag them back out. If you look at the other contextual help, you can delete, obviously you can delete, like I mentioned, you can delete one of these points. You can break the tangent by holding down control. So control is kind of the magic button here. So I can break those tangent handles, and then I can drag them back out and they're unified. Usually in a curve, if I want a nice gentle arc to that curve, I'm not going to break the tangent handles, but there might be a reason I need to do that in some cases. You can look this over and use some of these tips to help you manipulate the Bezier curve.